So I earned extra $3,000 from my TikTok shop while I'm resting in Korea. Okay, during in April. Okay, how I did it, right? I actually cheated a little bit. So take a look at my videos. So what I did is I reposted these videos over and over again during the month of April while I'm resting in Korea for my plastic surgery. Okay, and I earned extra income of $3,000. So the key thing is, right, to take note of all your past videos, right? If you're going on holiday and you felt that you cannot churn out more new contents, right, take a look at all your viral videos, right, and then repost it again, right? Because there will always be new users on this app, right, looking for to solve their problems. When you're doing videos, right, it's most important that you solve someone's problem. That's why they buy things from you. So relook at how you redo your how you do videos for your TikTok shop. Okay, and for those who are thinking about how to earn extra income, right, go and apply TikTok shop for creators after you hit 1,000 followers. Okay, because that's the minimum requirement. And if you are thinking of selling your own things, go and apply for TikTok shop sellers. Okay, so this is how you do it. You go on to main page, okay, your own main page, right? Then you click onto these three lines on the top right hand corner and you click creator tools, okay. And then when you hit 1,000 followers, right, TikTok shop for creators will allow you to choose the products already. So one of my clients, right, she achieved 1,000 followers already, and then that's how I asked her to open. Actually, in fact, I've trained a lot of clients, right, and they all are 1,000 followers already, and that's how they can create TikTok shop. Okay, and then you can see here highlight products with TikTok shop, and they will tell you like if you achieve 1,000 followers, then you can submit to apply. All right, but if you are a seller, there's a TikTok shop for seller. Okay, same page. Okay, and then you can actually apply as a TikTok shop seller without having any followers, and you are able to go on live if I'm not wrong, because sometimes I see those who have only 200 followers, they can still go on live, right? So all the details are there. So if you're interested to know more about how to create video strategies, right, to generate more sales, more income for yourself, DM me for one-on-one social media coaching. So I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Just to let you know, I've been a coach for 3 years on TikTok, right, and I teach a lot of small, medium enterprises and a lot of corporate clients, and they learn from me how to create videos. So yeah, so if you're interested to know more, DM me for more information. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye!